is your best friend? Your classmate? Your playmate?
Acacia po.
Acacia. Okay, so why Acacia is your best friend? Because you are playmates? Is she your classmate?
Opo.
Okay. So,
Parang kasi
are you ready to showcase your talent?
nanginginig ako.
Opo.
Okay, so ready na po siya. Thank you!
Once again, let's have Sophia for a dance number. All right, thank you so much, Sophia, for that beanie.